Strange night flashes, vibrations, and humming noise in an Ohio town sparked talk of UFO. Bethel, Ohio has gotten international attention as people scramble for a good explanation to a strange series of color flashes that turn the night sky reddish in that town. So far, nobody seems to have one, even after a week of debate. A doorbell video posted on Facebook shows a series of rapid flashes that changed in color and size over 20 seconds from white to a red that filled the horizon. And it's behind trees, so the trees didn't change color, it was the horizon. I guess this happened in between Amelia and a place called New Richmond. The power went out and it was like a light show in the sky. The electric company in the area has inspected lines and said the electric was out for 2 minutes. They found no issues. I'm going to link it at bizarrebus.com.